The Summer Language Academy is a partnership between Anaheim Union High School District and Cal State Fullerton for our newcomer and emergent plurilingual students. We began in 2016 and have grown over the years, and this is our 7th Summer Language Academy.
The program is designed to give students an enrichment, so provide them the opportunity to interact with each other and the opportunity to grow both in their own home language and in English. So today is our open house, so we're opening the doors for all the community to come in and see what are the wonderful activities that our students are doing. So we're showing principals, we're showing teachers, both ELD teachers and content area teachers. We're showing other districts and other dignitaries.
They're visiting each of our 4 classrooms where they're getting a window into the ways that students have been thinking about community, thinking about identity, and identifying the assets and the issues that impact their community. Every classroom is a little bit different. So in some classrooms, they've seen students creating murals about the American dream and describing what the American dream means to them. In other classrooms, students are working on photo journals depicting the issues and assets that affect their community. In other classrooms, they've been working on proposing solutions to issues that are affecting them every day. Our visitors are getting to see the way students are using their languages as they're describing everything that's happening in their communities and how they are working together to make a better Anaheim. The partnership for Summer Language Academy is one between Cal State Fullerton and Anaheim Union High School District. It has evolved over the years. My colleague, Dr. Fernando Rodriguez-Valles, and I co-develop the curriculum each year, and then we work with a team of educators from Anaheim and California State University, Fullerton, to bring the curriculum to life in the classrooms. Each classroom has a team of 4 educators, including a teacher from Anaheim, a bilingual instructional assistant from Anaheim, an AIM intern, which is a student in Anaheim that's interested in a career as an educator, and a pre-service teacher from California State University, Fullerton. They work together to take what we refer to as the skeleton of the curriculum, or the bones of what students will be talking about, and to bring it to life in really unique ways. This year is very exciting. We received support from the Spencer Foundation, a $400,000 grant to think about action research with our newcomer and emergent plurilingual students, not only during the Summer Language Academy, but also throughout the academic year with Project Learn, as teachers are thinking about how do we do this work with newcomer students in our classrooms, our biology classrooms, our math classrooms, our social studies classrooms throughout the academic year.
Summer Language Academy is so important for our newcomer students. A lot of times we feel like their voices are present in the classroom, but sometimes they're not as loud as other students. Summer Language Academy gives them the confidence and it gives them the voice that they need to bring their personality, to bring all of their knowledge and their entire person as a whole back into the classroom without having to be nervous about a language barrier or nervous about being from a different country. It empowers them to be a more holistic and a more involved student.
In the Summer Language Academy, we have the chance to learn with and from our newcomer and emergent plurilingual students. We take an asset-based perspective regarding our students' identities and languages and want to ensure that our schools reflect the vision and diversity and priorities of all of our communities.